Hello everyone to my channel Knitting and Crochet. Today we will learn how to crochet double crochet. We have a chain stitch. Make a yarn over and insert the hook into the third loop from the hook. First, second, third. We grab the yarn and pull it through one loop on the hook. We grab the yarn and pull through two loops on the hook. One, two. And we grab the yarn again and pull it through two loops on the hook. One, two. We got a double crochet. Crochet the entire row. To move to the next row, you need to crochet two chains. They are called turning chains. One, two. And turn our crochet. Make a yarn over and insert the hook into the third loop from the hook. First, second, third. We crochet in the same way as in the last row. Grab the yarn, pull it through one loop in the hook. We start a new row with a double crochet. Double crochet, double treble crochet, or double treble and more crochet are crocheted in the same way. For example, a double crochet, you need to crochet 3 turning chains. 1, 2, 3. Turn our crochet. Make 2 yarn over. 1, 2. Insert the hook into the fourth loop from the hook. First, second, third, fourth. Grab the yarn and pull through one loop on the hook. Next, we crochet 2 loops on the hook to the end. Grab the yarn. 1, 2. Grab the yarn. 1, 2. Grab the yarn. 1, 2. We got a double crochet. Regardless of the number of yarns over, we crochet 2 loops on the hook several times. It's easy to remember, the number of turning chains is equal to number of yarns over plus 1. And then they do not crochet into the turning chains. And crocheting starts from the extreme loop of the previous row. This is into the fourth loop from the hook. Skip 3 turning chains and crochet in the fourth. It's simple. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. See you. Bye bye.